In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column on Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for organizing information, whether you're building databases, managing projects, or simply keeping track of personal tasks. One of its most powerful features is the ability to create custom tables, and today, we'll focus on how you can make the most of these tables by summing a column, which is an essential skill for anyone dealing with numerical data. Let's start by opening the Notion app on your device. Navigate to the Workspace or page where your table is located. If you haven't already, create a table or use an existing one. This table should consist of columns and rows, just like a spreadsheet. For demonstration purposes, make sure you have a column with numerical data that you want to sum. This could be anything from sales figures, expenses, or even a personal budget. Once your table is ready and you have your numerical column in view, direct your attention to the column header. Hover your cursor over it, and you'll notice a small arrow or drop-down icon appear on the right side of the header. Click on this icon to reveal a menu with various options you can apply to the column. In this menu, you'll want to select Properties. Here, you'll be able to choose how you'd like to format this particular column. If your column contains numerical data, make sure it's set to a numerical format, such as number or currency, depending on your preference and needs. This ensures that Notion recognizes the data as numbers rather than plain text, which is crucial for performing arithmetic operations. Now, scroll back down to the bottom or top of the same column, where you'll find a cell labeled Calculate. This cell is where the magic happens. Click on it, and a drop-down of mathematical functions will appear. From this list, select Sum, which will automatically calculate the total of all numbers in that column. Instantly, you'll see the sum appear in the Calculate cell. And there you have it. You've successfully summed a column in Notion. This process not only makes your data more organized but also boosts your productivity by providing quick insights into your dataset. To make sure everything is working correctly, try adding or changing a few numbers in your column to observe how the sum automatically updates, demonstrating Notion's dynamic capabilities. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you often use specific column settings, consider creating a template. Templates in Notion can save you a ton of time by letting you reuse your preferred setup across different projects or tables. Now, you're ready to sum columns in Notion confidently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Notion, and let us know what other features you'd like to learn about in the comments below.